Hello everyone and welcome to my class. Today I'm going to teach you a Ukrainian dance move called Golubtsi. This move is very commonly used in Ukrainian folk dances such as hopak, kozachok and vesnyanka. It can be performed by both girls and boys. The main difference is in the upper body and arm positions. The main goal of this movement is to strike the upper leg with the lower leg. Both legs should remain straight during the movement. Step 1. To begin, use a bar or any stable support. Hold the bar and jump from second position. In the air, try to bring both legs together. Then land back in second position. Step 2. Now stand on your right supporting leg. Try to strike your right leg with the left one, keeping both legs straight in the air. Do not change the height of the supporting leg. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Step 3. Next, try this movement without the bar. Place your hands on your hips. Add 3 small steps in 6th position as a transition between sides. The last step prepares the leg for the kick on the opposite side. Step 4. Now that the legs are ready, let's add the arms. For boys, one hand is placed on the belt. The other arm is open diagonally and straight. The head turns toward the direction of movement. For girls, one hand is placed on the chest as if holding a necklace. The other arm opens diagonally with a soft wrist pointing downward. Step 5. Now let's combine the arms and legs together and try to coordinate the movement with the music. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped you feel a little closer to Ukrainian dance culture. Subscribe for more lessons and I will see you next time.